An example, if my parents put on a movie and maybe some background music and like that, but it's not a dirty movie, it's like about war or something. Can I sit and watch it?
Can you do what?
Sit and watch it together with them if it's some background music maybe.
No, you cannot. This is joining them in sin. And as you know, and this is why you're asking, listening to music is haram. So no matter what you are doing, you are joining them in haram. Even if it's a war movie, and hypothetically there are no women at all in that movie, hypothetically, but still the concept of sitting and watching this that does not please Allah and listening to the music is haram, and you may not join them in that.